Shield your RDP, defend against hacks with these quick steps. Connect to your server via remote desktop. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Access the Windows Defender Firewall settings by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Advanced Settings. Navigate to Inbound Rules. Locate Remote Desktop, User Mode, TCP/in, rule. Double-click the rule to view properties. Go to the Scope tab. Select these IP addresses. Add your IPv4 address. Apply the changes. Subscribe for a steady stream of insightful tutorials. Elevate your tech knowledge and stay ahead with our expert guidance. Don't miss out, hit subscribe now.